Number 5. Rockpals 250. 250 running watts and 300 surge watts. Large capacity, 60 Ah, 3.7 volts/222 watt-hours, 12 volts 18.5 Ah high quality lithium polymer batteries. Product weight, 5.5 pounds, 2.5 kg. Dimensions, L10XW4XH 6-inch. Input recharging, DC 15 volts/4.0 A, 5.5 by 2. 1 mm. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Briggs & Stratton P2200. Inverter generator quiet power technology. 8-hour runtime at 25% load. 2 120 volts household outlets. 1 12 volts 5A, DC outlet with USB adapter. 1 parallel port. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Generac 3500. Advanced inverter technology. Durable steel enclosure, clean inverter power and easy portability. 16% more power than Honda, featuring Power Rush advanced technology. Digital wattage meter, runtime remaining display, generator status, hour meter and fuel level. Charge mobile devices including smartphones and tablets. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Duramax XP4400D. 4,400 watt 7 horsepower RV grade gas generator with electric start. Portable generator dimensions, 24L x 17 inches width by 17 inches height. Product weight, 127 pounds. Fuel tank capacity, gasoline, 3.96 gallons. Run your generator with gasoline for long-lasting power. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Westinghouse iGen 2200. 1800 rated watts and 2200 peak watts at less than 3% THD. Weighs only 46 pounds. Very quiet, operates as low as 52 dB. Up to 12-hour runtime, 1.2 gal fuel tank. Parallel capable with the Westinghouse parallel cord. Please check the description for details and best price.